it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome to day 2 of my trip down memory lane. If you missed day 1, I mentioned that I've gone back over the past 6 years of holiday videos and I've picked 24 that I either love or I think is fun, just ones that I enjoy, and I think you will as well. In today's video, we are revisiting a set that I made a couple of years ago. I actually made a set, I think of 5 of these. And this is a stamp set from Whimsy Stamps. It's a Krista Herber, is that her name? You can also buy this in her Drawn with Krista site as digital images, but I absolutely love how this card turned out. I love these little nutcrackers. It's non-traditional, as you know that I like to do. So don't forget to leave your comment down below so you'll be entered to win whatever prize is going to be won. There's going to be a prize for every 24 days, so make sure you comment so you have a chance to win. What else? Oh, make sure you check down in the description box. There are links to past holiday card series playlists, plus a link to my Etsy shop where I still have Christmas cards available. Okay, let's head over and watch me make this nutcracker card. I'm gonna have to figure out a better segue for this. Hey there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome to day 18 of my 2018 holiday card series. This week I'm going to be using those stamps that I purchased from Whimsy Stamps. I showed them in a haul a couple of weeks ago. So today I'm using the Nutcracker set, and here I've mounted all 3 of the Nutcrackers onto my Stamparatus, and I'm going to go ahead and stamp these 5 times. I actually made a set of 5 cards today. So if you're interested in this card set, it's $25 plus shipping, and you can just let me know. You can email me or leave a comment down below. So I stamped all those in Memento Tuxedo Black because I will be coloring them with my Stampin' Blends. And then I'm going to go ahead and stamp the Merry Christmas sentiment using Granny Apple Green. And I'm going to stamp one of the presents from the set using Memento Tuxedo Black. Now I got a little bit of some feet on this, so I cut that down, but the rest of them stamped just fine. So once I get those stamped, I'm going to go ahead and bring in my colors. I really love the colors in this Doodlebug paper. This is also something that I hauled. I picked up from Cherry on Top, I believe. So I'm going to start by coloring in the bow using Lovely Lipstick. And I'm doing some basic coloring, but I am trying to add some shadow and some lightness. So anywhere that, like where the bow is pinched, I did dark. I'm going to do the light source face on. So just putting like the lightness in the middle of everything. And then just coloring it in with the light. So the colors I used are Lovely Lipstick, Bermuda Bay, Poppy Parade, Granny Apple Green, what other color? Basic Black, Smoky Slate, Cajun Craze, Bronze. So yeah, so I had a lot of, Flirty Flamingo. I had a lot of fun coloring all these. And I colored them all the exact same. So you'll see that at the end, they're all colored the exact same. And the reason why I ended up doing 5 is because I did 1 and got the image all the way colored, added some details, and then smeared it. And I was like, rawr. So then I thought, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and do 5. I already have it mounted. I had a little bit of free time. So I went ahead and colored 5 of these. And I am obsessed with this stamp set. This is probably one that I will hold on to until they retire it. Maybe forever, because I just am in love with it. And I have my own nutcracker. If you guys saw my I'm leaving Stampin' Nut video, you may have seen my big nutcracker that I found. Just happened to find it at Home Goods one day, because it's not like purple. It's like popular, but it's not popular in Christmas stuff or enough yet. So yeah. So I used Poppy Parade. I made sure to use each color on each nutcracker in a different way. So for the first color, Poppy Parade, I did the pants on the one on the left, the chef hat, and then the coat on the one on the right. And now I'm using Lovely Lipstick, kind of in the same way. This is the only color that wasn't made into leggings or stockings, pants. I don't know what they are. I guess pants. But anyway, so I really love these bright and cheerful colors, and I just took these colors straight from the Doodlebug paper that you guys are going to see me use when I get to making the card bases. By the time I was finished with this, I was kind of tired. I mean, there was a lot of coloring, and you guys know that I have an autoimmune disease that makes my arms tired, and then I have a small trimmer on top of it. By the time I was done, my trimmer was out of control. But I managed to color them all, and I love the way they turned out. Like I said, I really love the stamp set. If you guys haven't purchased from Whimsy, you really should. Their stamp quality is fantastic. Krista, who designed the stamp set and all the other ones I bought, is an amazing illustrator. I've always loved her designs. She's just so whimsical and cute, and that's right up my alley. So the next card you're going to see from me this week is going to be using those cute little gingerbread, and I've already started working on that. I can't wait to show you. So I decided to go ahead and color all their boots the same. So I'm using the light, dark, basic black marker, and then I'm going to use the dark smoky slate to kind of blend that out. And again, just simple, easy coloring, but still trying to add a little bit of dimension to all of the little nutcrackers because they're just so cute. Then I'm going to bring in skin. I used the ivory for the one on the left. I used bronze for the one on the right. And then one of them is dark soft suede or light soft suede. I don't remember. It must have been this one that was soft suede. But I just wanted something bright and colorful, and I wanted different hair colors and skin tones. So there you see me use a Signo gel pen to add back in his eyebrows because he is going to be the nutcracker with white hair. And I used dark Cajun Craze to make a ginger. And now I'm using the light basic black to have a dark brunette raven hair. Is that what you call it? Then I used my light pool party marker to outline all of them. I really like the way this looks. I didn't bother blending out the edges because this will fade once it dries and it's not quite as bright. And after I colored all of them, I went ahead and coated them all in Wink of Stella. And then my card base is 8.5 by 5.5 by 8.5, squared at 4 1/4, and then I cut down this piece of paper from Doodlebug. It was 12 by 12, and I cut it down to 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. The Granny Apple Green layer is 2 3/4 by 5 3/8, and then the white is 2.5 by 5 3/8. To this one, I added a piece of the Bermuda Bay mini striped ribbon from Stampin' Up. On the other one, there are two that are different. They are snowflake background, and I used the Poppy Parade just because I didn't have enough of this one pattern to do. If I'd done it 4 by 5 1/4, it would have been no problem. But since I did 4 1/8 by 5 3/8, so. And there you can see that they all have been assembled, and there's the one that I messed up on. So I brought in one of these cheap gel pens. This is a purple glitter, and then a pink glitter. At one time, I had one of those 120 count gel pen things back when I was first got into planning, I guess. And I used that to add some dimension. So that's it, guys. Like I said, let me know if you're interested in this 5-piece card set. I hope you have a fantastic Monday, and I'll see you on Wednesday with another video. Bye for now.